Replacement Doors Eagle, Idaho, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and functionality. Our team of door experts in Eagle ID specializes in providing top-notch door installation services, ensuring that your entry doors, patio doors, and custom doors are fitted perfectly to your specifications. With a focus on precision and quality, our door fitting services in Eagle, Idaho guarantee a seamless integration with your home's existing architecture. When it comes to door replacement in Eagle, Idaho, our company offers a wide range of options to suit every homeowner's needs. Whether you're looking to upgrade to energy-efficient doors or need a complete overhaul of your door frames, our door solutions in Eagle ID are designed to meet your specific requirements. Our door estimates in Eagle, Idaho provide a comprehensive breakdown of costs, ensuring transparency and affordability for all our clients. Entry doors in Eagle, Idaho are more than just a functional necessity. They are a statement of style and security. Our selection of door styles in Eagle ID includes everything from traditional to contemporary designs, allowing you to choose the perfect entry door that complements your home's aesthetic. With our door customization services in Eagle, Idaho, you can personalize your entry doors with unique finishes and hardware to reflect your personal taste. Replacement doors. Eagle ID are an excellent way to bring the beauty of the outdoors into your home. Our range of sliding doors and French doors in Eagle, Idaho offers a variety of options for creating a seamless transition between your indoor and outdoor spaces. With our door consultation services in Eagle ID, you can explore the best patio door solutions that enhance your home's natural light and ventilation. Door repair in Eagle ID is essential for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your doors. Our door maintenance services in Eagle, Idaho include everything from fixing minor issues to complete door hardware replacements. With our expertise in door security in Eagle, Idaho, we ensure that your doors are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also provide the highest level of protection for your home. Custom doors in Eagle, Idaho offer a unique opportunity to express your individuality and enhance your home's character. Our door experts in Eagle ID work closely with you to design and create custom doors that meet your specific needs and preferences. From selecting the right door materials in Eagle, Idaho, to choosing the perfect door finishes in Eagle ID, our team is dedicated to delivering exceptional results. Energy-efficient doors in Eagle, Idaho are an excellent investment for homeowners looking to reduce their energy bills and improve their home's comfort. Our selection of energy-efficient doors in Eagle ID includes a variety of styles and materials designed to provide superior insulation and reduce heat loss. With our door upgrades in Eagle ID, you can enhance your home's energy efficiency without compromising on style or functionality. Replacement doors. Eagle ID plays a crucial role in the overall performance and security of your doors. Our range of door hardware in Eagle, Idaho includes everything from locks and handles to hinges and latches, ensuring that your doors operate smoothly and securely.